Hey friends, welcome to the part 3 of the series named NIPER JEE Practice MCQs, and again today we will be discussing another 5 interesting MCQs. I'll be giving you 5 questions and each of which will be having 4 options. You will be getting some time also to think which would be the correct one, and if you're getting it right, that's great, but if wrong, then try to improve on it. So without wasting your time, then let's begin. The first question over here is alkylating agent acts on nitrogen of nucleic acid bases, especially the nitrogen of guanine moiety. Identify which nitrogen is that. So the options here are as follows: A N1, B N3, C N7, and D N9. So you have to think about that what would be that nitrogen where alkylating agents are acting on. Okay, so the right answer for this is N7. Now, this N7 is that nitrogen of this guanine moiety wherein alkylating agents are acting on. So now let us move to question number 2. Which of the following is for environment management? And the options are ISO 31000, ISO 26000, ISO 14000, and ISO 9000. Now, what I would be recommending is try to know all the important ISO, what particular ISO is functional for what particular thing, because that would be very important and very beneficial also in terms of exam. And yes, definitely, so try to know the important ISOs. Now, coming back to here, the right answer for this is for environment management, it is ISO 14000. And now let us move to question number 3 then. So, which of the following drug is an irreversible inhibitor of GABA transaminase? Okay. Now, this question is very common wherein students used to make mistakes. So, I would recommend you to think twice and then answer. Now, the options here are is gabapentin, tiagabin, vigabatrin, and none of the above. Okay, so here the right answer for this is vigabatrin. Now, why vigabatrin? Vigabatrin is that drug which is irreversible inhibitor of GABA transaminase. And what is tiagabin then? Tiagabin is a GABA uptake inhibitor, whereas gabapentin is relative to GABA, that is, it can cross the blood-brain barrier and it is lipophilic in nature, and it is not binding to GABA to release GABA, but actually it is binding on the calcium side. So that is important. Here the right answer is vigabatrin. And also know that vigabatrin is used in infantile spasms. So try to note this and don't make mistakes in these questions. Okay. Now let us move to question number 4. Now, as you all know that in NIPER there are certain questions which are general knowledge related, aptitude related. So this is a question of aptitude series, and here what they're asking is a cake of round shape has to be divided in 3 straight strokes by a knife. Then what is the number of maximum slices that can be obtained? So here the options are 7, 6, 8, and 9. I would recommend you to take a pen and paper, draw the required, and find the answer. Okay, so here the right answer for this is 6. Now why 6? Okay, let me show you here. Say for example, if this is our cake and it has to be divided in 3 straight strokes. First, second, and this is the third straight stroke. Then what will be the maximum number of slices we will be getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 6 of the slices we will be getting when we will cut a round shaped cake in 3 straight strokes. So that is why the right answer is 6. Now let us move to the last question, that is fifth question. Which of the following cholinergic drug is long acting? And the options here are as neostigmine, pyridostigmine, both A and B, or atrophonia. So here the right answer for this is neostigmine and pyridostigmine. That is both A and B. And why is it so? Remember that whenever there is the suffix of stigmine, it is containing carbamate in its structure, and the carbamate is able to form a labile covalent bond with the cholinergic receptors, and in that way it is able to act longer. On the other hand, when we talk about the atrophonium, then atrophonium is having hydroxy moiety, and that binding is very transient, and so it is a short acting drug. However, this neostigmine, pyridostigmine, and atrophonium, all these three drugs are quaternary amines, and they are not able to penetrate the blood brain barrier as well. I hope you would be knowing this. So, yes, that's it for today. We have practiced 5 MCQs. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any doubt with respect to this 5 questions, or any doubt related to NIPER exams, if any specific topic related doubt is there also, then also you can mention it in the comment box, and I'll be looking forward to help you out. So yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much.